In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Bonkbot to trade Solana meme coins. The reason why we are using Bonkbot is because with Bonkbot, it will be very easy or it will be very fast for you to carry out transactions. Sometimes you might see a coin at 100k market cap. Before you buy the coin might have pumped to like 150k market cap or even 200k market cap, and you would lose out potential profit. So in order to avoid that, make use of both. Bonk Bot is one of those bots I can use for fast transactions. So I recommend you use the link in the description box to register for this bot because a lot of fake bots out there. To avoid getting scammed, use the link in the description box to access it. If you click on the link, you're going to take to this boot. All you have to do is to click on start. So in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how you can set up your Bonk Bot and how you can use it to carry out transactions. So right now, I'm going to tap on I've read and accept the terms of use. Then as you can see, this is my address. This is my Solana address. I simply send in Solana to this particular address and it's going to appear on this boot with the account transaction. Before then, you need to carry out some important settings. So I have to tap on the settings. If I do so, it's going to bring to this page. So you have to scroll up, right? So on this page, right here I said at the buy button configuration left or right. In this buy button configuration, if you want to click on this button, you just buy one so you can leave it like this. But for reasons, if you are trading with a much less amount of so, you can make changes to this. So for example, you can simply tap on the left and put this to like 0.06 and get this like I think $10. So for the left button, I've set it up. So enter I click on the left button, go to that 0.06, so it's for like about $10. And for the right to I can okay for the right buy button, I can make this to like 0.6 get. So if this is what I want, so the right button will be set. Then for the uh sell button, you can see the sell button. So if I want to click on the left, it should say 25%, on the right it should say 100%. I can also make adjustment to this, you understand? So I simply put on the left it should say 50%, then on the right I click on the right it should say all the coins I have 100%. Then for the slippage actually determines the the price you get, the price the market cap you want to say and actual market cap it sold the coin. So for some person who tends to increase their slippage, but I recommend actually leave your slippage this way. Before this, ensure this is on Tumbo. Sometimes it might be unsecure, but ensure it is on Tumbo. For transaction priority determines how fast you want the transaction to go. You get if you increase it to high, it's going to charge you higher gas fee, and if you increase it to very high, it's going to charge you a more higher gas fee. So you can leave it on high on medium. 0.01 Solana is about what about less than $1. 0.01 Solana so is about less than $1. And 0.05 is also less than $1 too. You can leave it on very high. So once you have done or you have mixed it, you have completed these settings, I'll simply tap on features and open and you can see. Alright, so the next thing I need to do is for me to actually import my Bonk Bot to Phantom wallet. So to do this, I will simply tap on wallet. Then I'm going to tap on export private key. I click on start. It's going to bring up my private key up for me. So I just have to check on this. As you can see, this is my private key. I'm going to copy my private key. So normally, ideally, you are not meant to actually show people your private key yet. But for the sake of this video, this is why I'm doing this yet. So after making this video, I'm going to delete this account. I'm not going to use this account again. This account is already compromised. So once I've copied my private key and set freeze, I need to do something to open up my Phantom wallet. So this is Phantom wallet that we are going to use for most of the trading yet. So you can download Phantom wallet from Play Store or from Apple Store. So once you put up your Phantom wallet, you just simply tap on this If I tap on here, it's going to bring up this page. I'll simply tap on add or connect wallet. Then I'll simply tap on that said import secret copy phrase. I'm going to tap on it. I'm going to paste this seed phrase that I was given. I'm going to tap on import. If I do that, it's getting to this page right here. Then I'll simply tap on continue. Wait for it to load up and tap on continue. So I'm going to tap on continue. Once I have done that, so as you guys can see, this is the account. So what I need to do is to tap on the receive. What is it? I just need to verify that the account number is same. The wallet address rather TPSUS for AZ. So I will go back and as you can see the wallet address is same or is similar. So what I need to do is for me to go back right here and deposit Solana to this particular Bonk Bot wallet address. So I've copied Solana address. I want to go to any exchanges. So I'll be making use of MES exchange. What I need to do is I need to transmit up on the trade. I already have USDT on this particular exchange. So I'm going to tap on this bar right here. In case mine is already showing through USDT, but if yours is not showing that, please tap on this place. Then on the search bar, please search for Sol or Solana. So once you do that, this is it right. So I simply tap on this one right here, Sol/USDT. Once I come to this page, then I'm going to change this swing limit to market. Then I'm going to type in the amount of Solana I want to buy in USDT. I simply put $10. Okay, I simply tap on buy. So once I do that, I need to load up and it's going to buy my Solana for me. But into this, I'm going to go back to my wallet and simply withdraw Solana to the boot address. I simply tap on withdraw. Then I'm going to withdraw Solana. Then I'm going to tap on chain withdrawal. Then I'm going to paste in the address. Right. Then the network is already on Solana already. Then how much I'm withdrawing everything. Then this place I'm going to put up in confirm withdrawal. So once I do this, I successfully withdraw the Solana from this port from my account from my exchange to the bot. So I've received the Solana in my wallet. What I need to do right now is to go back to the boot. When I go back to the boot, I just have to refresh. And if I refresh, I'm going to see my balance. Can see right here, I have 0.0280. So the next thing for me to do is for me to go to this screen now and look for a coin that I'm going to buy, get so that I can use it as an example in this video. Okay, this is the screen, alright. So let me just buy this particular one, alright. This one that was released 40 minutes ago and it's currently trending. So I need to do is to just click on it so I can display the coin information. Okay, this is the coin, alright. So what I need to do is simply copy the contract address. Currently at 151k market cap. So I copy the contract address. I just have to go to tell it to the bot to paste it and buy the coin. So if I go to the bot, I paste it and I click on the send, it's going to refresh and going to see market cap as well is a 129k market cap. So before I buy this coin, there's another bot that I need to check to see if this particular coin is actually legit. I'll leave the link to this bot in the description box as well, and also in my Telegram channel. So let's just go on a quick check. Okay, it is meetable, 100% bonds. Okay, top 10 orders only 15%. Current market cap is 152. So I think this is a good buy. So I'll quickly buy this coin, right? Okay, the current market cap is currently at 54k market cap. As you can see right now, this is actually a good entry for me. Right, so I'll simply buy this token. I have 0.028 so I just say I want to buy 0.0 0.0 okay 0 2 let me buy 0.002 so, so I'm going to set and just wait for it to, as you can see, swap successfully. I bought this coin right now. I bought this coin I bought 127,000 of this particular coin of at 26k market cap and K market cap 25k. I'm down minus 24%. This is the value, right? So as you can see, right? So if I want to sell the coin, I can simply tap on sell 50% or sell 100% or sales percent. If I don't know the percent, I want to sell, maybe I want to sell like 5%. If I was sales percent, tap on 25%, 65% coin. But if I want to sell 40%, you can do it like this. If I want to sell everything, I can simply tap on sell 100% to sell 100%. If I want to buy more of the coin, simply tap on the amount I want to buy. Understand? And so these are you can simply make use of this particular bot for your trading.
Most of you will be wondering that if I made loss in the trade I took, where I did not make loss in it. I left it and the trade ran like the market cap went to over 118 dollars market cap. Remember when I bought it at the 6k market cap, it dipped only like one dip to like up to 18k market cap, but I actually left it over 24 hours. You can see it has even increased to 131k, where I sold at 118k and I made profit from it. Like I think I bought over that for $5. I'm not mistaken. I bought $4 as you can see, right? So this morning I swapped. Let me click on the history. You can see with this, it can easily turn your money. You get, so it was this morning I actually swap it. You can see right there. This morning I swap it. I sold the token and gave me 0.08 and 916, so it's like about $16 worth of Solana. This morning I actually swap it. So for those people who was wondering if I made loss, I did not make loss. So if you're interested in this kind of content, please do it to like, subscribe, turn the bell icon, my Telegram channel so I will dropping when quick course for you all. Peace out, see my next video.
If you find this video helpful, do it to like, do it to subscribe and turn on the bell icon.